Thank you very much. Pig. Pig. Skip a doodle blah 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 blah. Skip it up. Ha! Ah! I didn't mean it. I didn't mean no. Ah! I'm like that goes like this. Daka. That I can I get up? Whoa! Oh, he just, that's crazy. I'm shooting you. I don't have to open any doors. Nice. Blah, blah. Yellow. Wait. And when you have a DBS, you just want to attack people that are hiding in buildings. It's like one of the most satisfying thing that I have to do with the DBS. Blah, 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 blah. He's like, you can't catch me. Well, of course I can. Ooh, la 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 la. He's in Valhalla. Here's Wacky. One sec, I'm just gonna dial in a number here. What's the plan, buddy? Uh-oh. What? What the heck? Already dead? Why are you sitting there when you're dead? Why don't you die? YOLO! Ah! What? Someone farted over here. That guy. Ah! Yeah! Mwah! Oh. Okay, just for a short moment, I thought someone was coming at me. Ah! Man, I'm just driving around spraying my pee-pee all over the place. People are falling on the ground. Nice. Ah! Help? What kind of sick freak would do this? Unbelievable. Man, I hate people sometimes. Why would you do this?